Hello, community members. Our topic for this week is listening comprehension. Language learning is about input and output. The kind of output we generate depends on the kind of language patterns we input. What we speak is influenced by what we listen to. What we write is influenced by what we read. When we're learning to speak a new language, we start with the input. That is, we start with ear training, listening practice. Although this might sound obvious, but listening comprehension actually has two components. First, recognizing the words, being able to identify what the speaker says. Second, understanding the meaning behind the words, being able to figure out what the speaker meant. So we are dealing with two questions: what the speaker says and what the speaker means. For example, let's take a look at a following quote by a famous philosopher. The time you enjoy wasting is not wasted time. If you look at the first part of the sentence, the time you enjoy wasting, it refers to the time that was not spent to gain something of value or profit, but you still enjoyed it anyways. The essential meaning of the entire sentence is that the time spent in an activity that did not gain any value but was still enjoyable has not gone to waste. This was a quote by English philosopher Bertrand Russell. Meaning is affected by the context in which a statement is made. What is context? Context is like a background thought which conditions our thinking process in the present to help derive meaning from it. For example, if we take another look at the previous quote, the time you enjoy wasting is not wasted time, this statement was probably made in the context of recreation, to emphasize the need to balance our time between work and play. And so comprehension of meaning and context go together. The main method that I use to improve my listening comprehension is to listen to brief lectures on my favorite subjects and then to summarize the points in my own words. So those were some key points that I wanted to share on the topic of listening comprehension. We'll resume our discussion and do some listening practice in our meeting tomorrow. Bye.